Today I'm going to walk you through AutoIt, how to do some automate things with AutoIt script and how to use it to control mouse and cursor. Please take a look in this tutorial. I will break it down to these topics: AutoIt digest, installation, run script, and how to use window info, basic script with window application, cursor mouse, clicking. And the final thing is the conclusion and share some ideas how we can use the AutoIt to do some system like login system or open some window application and interact with it. There are tons of information explained very well on the official website, but I will pick it up only the most used and describe it here, including my opinions, such as when we compare with PyAutoGui or Selenium. What is the AutoIt? The AutoIt is a freeware for scripting language designed for Windows GUI. We can use it to control Windows application or web application, but I won't mention about this because we can use well-known Selenium instead. For many jobs, we can use keystrokes and mouse movements to control the cursor, and we can force it to click on any button and do something. For comparison, AutoIt is similar to PyAutoGui and Selenium, and I think the AutoIt is less coding. We don't have to code a lot, and we can control Windows application including the web browser. But for Selenium we have to install WebDriver, and good for web browser, but for AutoIt we can do both, and we don't have to coding a lot. Let's download it. We have to download both the AutoIt script editor, and another one is the first one that I click download. We need this one too. Let's check the installation. AutoIt Windows. This tool we can trace window element. Okay, it's working. And the next one that we download is the AutoIt script IDE. We have to right click and then choose it.
test base, right click, frag one is okay and cancel. I will explain about this later. Title. If you want to see the result, we can use test run. Can click go. Here, it's working.